Good morning, everybody. This is Duke. Good God. Figured I'd wear a headband. Might not sweat so much, but and my hat's getting old. It's time for a new one. So I figured I'd wear this until I could get something. Anyway, I don't know if you remember this lawnmower here or not. Let me give a little background on it. There's a video from last fall where I got it at. I got it from a neighbor. It's been sitting in the garage for I think 5 years when I got it. All the belts were rotted off of it, and I'm having trouble keeping one tire up. And it's got a bent pulley on the deck. I didn't know that till the other day. I was checking the pulleys out and the spindles, make sure they wasn't froze up or anything or making any noise. And when I spun it, you could see it wobbling. So I got one to replace it. Now this is the lawnmower. Now I've got a video showing it to you last year where I took the carburetor off of it and found out the crankcase was full of gasoline. And when I took the carburetor off, the carburetor bowl was full of sand. So I took everything off of the tank, lines and everything, and the only place I found sand was in the bowl. So somebody had to do it intentionally and put it in there. But anyway, if I had gotten it to crank, it probably would have blew up on me. But I put some used oil in it to rinse out that gasoline, and I drained it back out. And then I quit because I ran out of money. I didn't have any money to buy any parts with. Well, I made a sale here about a month ago, and I sold enough stuff to I paid my motorcycle off, I paid a couple more bills off, and then I gave them an extra $500. Well, I'm gonna put some of that money. It shouldn't put, I figure around $150 to $175 to fix this lawnmower. That's not skimping on anything. These pulleys, these idler pulleys, they're both in good shape. They make no noise. Of course, if I don't beat them to death. And now, like I said, if I can remember to, I'll find the video on that first one where I first put it on last fall. And hold on just a minute. That's just my wife. She's come back from the store. But this is what it looks like. It's a Troy-built Super Bronco lawn tractor. It's a 42-inch cut. That's what it will look like when I get through with it. It won't be that pretty, but I mean, I'm not going to paint it. I am going to wire brush the underside of the deck. It's not rusted out, but it does have surface rust on it. I'm going to clean it up and put some Rust-Oleum paint on the inside of it to make it look prettier. And I believe it's going to look pretty good. This is a, I can't remember when it said it was built, but I think it's a 2014. It hasn't been run long because besides the belts are dry rotted. I'll look it up on here, and none of the bushings are wore out on it. I've got all my parts and everything. I was about to start without you again. So anyway, that's going to be the start of it. I'm going to start putting the belts on this morning, get them done. and then I'll flip it back up. I've got it laying on its side, but don't worry, it has no oil, has no gasoline in it. I drained all the oil back out of it. I haven't put the dew filter or anything back on it yet. And while I was walking out here, I'll be right back. Bye. Okay, I'm back. Wife said to tell everybody hi. But anyway, I'm going to get started on it. Like I said, I'm going to put these pulleys on first and the belts. Then I'll roll the lawnmower back over and then I'll start on putting the body back on and the I got a battery over here. It's a used battery, and it came with a lawnmower that it ran, but it just knocked real bad. And the guy, I was supposed to change the motor out, and he changed his mind. He said just scrap it, so I scrapped it. I kept the battery out on it. And he said that battery's just a year old. I'll put it on there if it works. I'll use it. If it don't, I'll get another battery for it. But anyway, that's the gist of it. That's enough to get started. And I will let y'all know in a little while. Be back in a little while. Catch you later. Bye. Well, I'm back. This is Duke again. This is either part 2 or still part 1. I don't know yet. I've got the sheet metal on, half of it. Got the belts on, everything but the deck belt. And I've got to put my handles on. Put the battery holder in. There we are. Okay. I won't put the battery in until I get ready to start that engine. I got to change your air, put an air filter on it, and I got to clean that up. This is the battery holder. I cleaned it up and painted it. The battery was in it, had exploded. So I'm gonna wire the brush that out. It'll be black, but it'll work. I don't think I got any red. Nope, I ain't buying no paint. So. But other than that, I'm going to quit for the day. So that'll be the end of that. I'll work on maybe tomorrow or what do you call it? Tuesday. All depends on how my back feels. I try not to make plans until I find out what kind of shape my back's going to be in from day to day. But that's it for the day. Y'all have a good, hope everybody had a good weekend, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.